French president has put his weight behind making Germany, Japan, India and Brazil permanent members of the UNSC. It may be recalled that only 5 countries, namely US, China, Russia, France and the United Kingdom, have a permanent seat at the UNSC. Several countries, including the United States and France, have advocated very strongly for India to become a part of this powerful group permanently. However, China has been still against it. Here's more.
The need for reform of the United Nations, especially United Nations Security Council, has long been felt as to effectively address its functioning in the contemporary world order. In fact, during the recently held Summit of the Future at the United Nations in New York, India's Prime Minister called for urgent reform of the institutions of global governance, including the UN Security Council.
Success of humanity lies in our collective strength, not in the battlefield. और वैश्विक शांति एवं विकास के लिए ग्लोबल संस्थाओं में रिफॉर्म्स आवश्यक है. रिफॉर्म is the key to relevance.
India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar also echoed the same sentiment of reforming the United Nations and giving representation to Asia, Africa and Latin America, as well as Global South in the UNSC.
Expansion and proper representation in the permanent category is a particular imperative. Asia, Africa and Latin America, the Global South, cannot continue to be shortchanged. They must be given their legitimate voice. Real change needs to happen and happen fast.
India's bid for permanent seat at the UNSC has been supported by France at the UNGA session.
France, as I reiterate here, is in favour of the Security Council being expanded. Germany, Japan, India, Brazil should be permanent members.
The current structure of the United Nations Security Council is confined to just 5 permanent members which have veto powers. These are United States, China, France, Russia and the United Kingdom. Presently, India has the support for its bid to be permanently represented in UNSC from the following countries. So by and large, India's stature in the world has been recognized by all the important organizations, and its bid for permanent membership of United Nations Security Council has been backed by a majority of countries, and it is only a matter of time when India's quest for an equitable, just rules-based international order with the voice of Global South, Africa, Asia and Latin America will be heard in the highest echelons of the world body. Bureau Report, DDI India.